Hi, to categorize apps on this POCO app 6, as a first step, just press and hold any free space on the screen and then go in its settings. Here we will need to select this More tab, and the first thing we can do is to enable App Drawer. If you just go in this Home Screen tab and select with App Drawer, so it is easier to manage your phone with App Drawer enabled because all of your apps will appear in this drawer when you just swipe up, and if you disable it, you'll see it right on this home screen, which is not so good just for me. So now let's return back in this settings. As before, select More tab, and after that we can also enable double tap to lock screen, for example. And in the system navigation, we can switch from the buttons to gestures. Here you can see some on-screen instructions how to use them, and you will see this line on the bottom of the screen with the help of which you can manage your phone. But I prefer buttons, so let's just switch to the buttons as it was before, like that. We can enable to mirror buttons or disable it like that. We can also, if we just switch to the gestures, we would see this hide full screen indicator gesture confirmation, and here are some on-screen instructions. Now let's go back in this setting, and another thing we can see here is arrange items in recents vertically or horizontally. I prefer horizontal way, so let's save it that way. And also for the animation speed, I suggest you to enable fast to make your phone feel fast and responsive. And now let's just open settings on the phone. For that, let's trigger App Drawer, and here is the settings. We will need to go in the About Phone tab, and here make sure that you have the latest update installed, because usually updates includes fixing old issues or just adding new features. So as you can see, I have new updates, so I would need to tap this blue button to update the phone, but I'm gonna do it later. So now we can go in the display and brightness also and enable the dark mode to save the battery power. And after that, we can also go in the refresh rate. Here, go in the custom and enable 120 Hz like that. And in the color scheme, we can just enable the saturated to enhance colors. Here you can see example how the colors changes. So saturated is more preferred option. And after that, we can go in this notifications and status bar, and here select type of notifications, either lock screen, floating notifications, or badges. And for number of notification icons shown, we can set free icons. And that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching.